In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually upgrade your own MacBook Air storage by yourself at home. So first, you are going to remove the back panel and then you are going to disconnect the power. So just pull this ribbon out carefully and then only you remove this SSD from the motherboard. Now look carefully, this SSD has a very unique pin count. This works with only MacBook. If you buy online, you've got to be careful, you've got to make sure this SSD works with your MacBook. Then I bought this SSD enclosure that comes with LED and I'll place my SSD there. Make sure you push it in back or slide into the slot properly. And I bought this 500 gig SSD, Mac SSD, and remember to stick this thermal sticker, a silicone pad onto it so that it's more efficient in removing the heat from the SSD. Then I connect it into the MacBook and it comes with two partitions already. So I do not want this file format. So I'll go to this utility and I format it into APFS format. So I name it as City Boy Liu. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, remember subscribe to my channel, it's City Boy Liu. And then another partition is meant for exFAT, so for universal system. So any file system can be stored there. I'll test it with MacBook and also iPhone 15 that comes with USB-C connector. So it works, there you go, under files, right? So I can actually edit video now. I save it into the SSD directly and I do not need to worry about not enough disk space for my iPhone, right? So if you want any things that you can use a lightning to USB connector for older generation of iPhone, I've tested out for you, it does not work, okay? It does not work with any iPhone less than iPhone 15. So the power or the current requirement for SSD work is slightly higher, so it does not work with, let's say, iPhone 11, right? So it does not work. Yeah, in terms of data transfer rate, it's about 1.2 gig per second average, and I'm very satisfied about it. I hope this video helps you. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.